Jamaica is moving on, says Prime Minister Holness.
We are moving on, and we intend to attain in short order our development goals and fulfill our true ambitions and destiny as an independent, developed, prosperous country.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Holness tells William of intention to break from the monarchy. In the face of their attempt to woo Jamaicans during their trip to the island, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge were informed by Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Wednesday, March 23rd, of the country's intention to cut ties with the royal family and to become a republic. During a courtesy call with William and Kate, Holness said in short order, Jamaica will become a fully independent country.
Jamaica is a very free and liberal country, and the people are very expressive, and I'm certain that you would have seen the spectrum of expressions yesterday. There are issues here which are, as you would know, unresolved, but your presence gives an opportunity for those issues to be placed in context, put front and center, and to be addressed in as best as we can. But Jamaica is, as you would see, a country that is very proud of our history, very proud of what we have achieved, and we are moving on, and we intend to attain in short order our development goals and fulfill our true ambitions and destiny as an independent, developed, prosperous country.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!